Hello, eighth graders. Welcome back to another year at BCMS. I am Mrs. Kelm, and this year I'll be teaching English 8. If my name seems kind of familiar, I might have taught you back in English 6, either in distance learning or on the Avalanche team. And because I'm moving up to 8th grade, I am moving classrooms as well. So I'll no longer be down in the Avalanche section. Instead, I'll be right across from the mall in the English 8 section. So I encourage you come check out the space at open house night, or once the school year starts, you'll be there. This is my 20th year of teaching, which seems crazy. Like, I don't think I'm that old, but I guess I must be because this is for real year 20. And this is not my first year of teaching eighth graders. I've actually taught eighth graders for about 5 years back at STMA. And so I'm excited to be back to teaching eighth grade again. This should be a great year ahead, and I'm looking forward to teaching you guys. In addition to teaching, I spend a lot of time learning. I love to play, I love to kind of get back into that learner role as a student. And so I've gone to school a lot of years past when I needed to. And I've learned about a lot of different things. And now that I'm done with my schooling, I'm still learning stuff. And so these are my current areas that I've really kind of focused in on over the last couple of years. And a big part of why I've learned about all of these different things is because of my family, because a lot of my kids have some of the needs that you see here on the screen. So that's really encouraged me to learn more so that I can help my own kids, but also help you guys as well. Here is what we'll be learning about this year in English 8. So if you want to take a moment to pause the screen and read it, you are welcome to do that. Here's our grading scale. This will look very familiar to what we used back in 6th grade. The difference, though, is how we weight the grades. In 8th grade English, it looks like 10% is going to come from your independent reading and 90% is going to come from your assessments. Grades, just like in the past, will still be found in Infinite Campus, so you can check that out. For our parents and guardians, I would encourage them to get on the portal as well because they can have access to seeing your grades and your lunch account and all the things. But as eighth graders, I really would strongly encourage you to take charge of your own learning and check out your grades on a regular basis in Infinite Campus. I will be using Google Classroom this year, not like we were in distance learning, but just as a holding spot for digital copies of assignments, and our agendas will be posted in there, as well as some other resources. So look for that invitation to come soon. And if you need to reach out to me, here is my contact information for the school year ahead. Now, one important thing to note is that I will not get to start the school year with you. I am having surgery at the start of August. So I will be out recovering for the first couple of weeks of school. Right now I'm tentatively scheduled to come back toward the end of September, so I look forward to that. I might be a little bit slow moving, but I will be there and I will be excited to meet you. Mr. Lubin has said he's finding me a great sub, so in my absence, I know that you guys will be taught and you will be cared for, and all the things that are important to me, those things will happen, and then I will rejoin you at the end of September. So I hope you enjoy the last few days of summer. I hope you have a great open house night, and I hope you have a great first few weeks of school. See you soon!